The purpose of this video is going to show how to measure a coating thickness using a Microview Vertex Vision machine and a touch probe system. First, we're going to call up a program, and then after I call up the program, I'm going to come over and I'm going to place a part and a weight to hold it down. I'm going to ask it to run the program, and it says to measure the dark area first. She's going to come over with a touch probe. It's going to measure 10 points in 1-inch increments throughout the travel of the part. Now, before this, I've measured the material underneath with the same 10 points. So I'm going to ask what the distance is between these in order to get the thickness of this material. As soon as it finishes measuring these 10 parts, it moves out of location and instructs me on the screen to move to the light area. So I'm going to slide the material over to an area that's where the coating has been removed. And I'm going to hit the OK button again. The machine then comes back over with the same touch probe, measures in the same location it did with the dark area. And it's going to measure these 10 items. So now that I know what the thickness of the material is over the coating and the thickness of the material is without the coating, I'm going to do a simple math calculation on the machine. As soon as this finishes, it'll process that math calculation. And then it gives me, with the calculation, it gives me the ability to be able to report out, in this case, the difference between the thickness of the coating and without the coating, giving me what the thickness of the coating is. It gives me the actual values, the nominal values, and we can also put an upper lower spec limit that tells me what percentage out of tolerance is. The main thing is, though, is that we've got the coating thickness in all 10 locations, and this information can be sent straight to an Excel spreadsheet, or it can be presented in a report like this. This concludes this demo.